thank you for joining us today at our Sweet Home Life. We're going to be making Rachel Ray's fudge recipe. It is so delicious and so easy. All you have to have is your semi-sweet chocolate morsels, butterscotch morsels, or else you can use peanut butter. I really like the peanut butter morsels better, but all they had at the store was butterscotch. And a teaspoon of vanilla, and a can of this condensed, sweetened condensed milk. And it makes the best. So what we're going to be doing is just cutting these open and pouring them into our bowl. These are the minis. I think that's all I had on those as well. But we're going to use those today. Okay. And then I'm going to put my lid on it and place it in the microwave, I believe, for about 4 minutes. For those to melt. So all we're doing is melting these. And then when those melt, we'll add our condensed milk and a spoon of that vanilla flavoring and place it in a 9 by 12 dish. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be back with you when that melts. Okay. I'll take it out, see if it's melted. Swirl. Okay, it is melted, and just giving it a stir here. And then we're going to add our milk. I used to make this all the time for my stepmother. She loved it. And you can put nuts in it too. And we're going to add a spoon of vanilla and stir all this up. There we go. Okay. And I've never made this that it did not set. It always hardens very well. So if you want nuts in it, you can put you some pecans or walnuts. Or if you use the peanut butter morsels, you can put peanuts in it. It's really good that way too. Okay, I found some walnuts I had forgotten I had, so I'm going to go ahead and add some walnuts to mine. Stir those in. But this is delicious, delicious fudge, and it only takes a few minutes to make. And like I said, I have never made it that it did not set up. So we're just going to pour it into our dish. A 9 by 12 dish. And then we're just going to spread it out. And that's all there is to it. And just give it a few hours to set up, and it is delicious. So thank you for joining us today at Our Sweet Home Life for Rachel Ray's fudge recipe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
I couldn't wait. I had to have some.
You know, Mojo and I are trying out the fudge that I made this afternoon. What do you think?
I love retro raised fudge. That appears to be quick and easy.
It is.
That's very good.
And it's only been setting up for about an hour and a half, and of course the longer it sets, the harder it gets. But it still has a good firm texture. And we do appreciate you joining us so much on our Sweet Home Life, and hope to see you again, and hope that you're watching our other videos, because we have right now quite a few that I'm sure that you'll be interested in. So check out all of our videos, and we thank you for watching our Sweet Home Life. See you next time.